Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best breakfast sandwich maker in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Egg Cooker Ring, Customized Ingredients, perfect for English muffins, croissants, mini waffles, single, silver, 25,475. Forget the fast food drive-thru. With the Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker, you can enjoy a hot, homemade breakfast sandwich in under 5 minutes. Simply place the ingredients inside, build the base of your sandwich in the bottom layer, place the egg on the cooking plate and close the lid. Slide the cooking plate out and your sandwich assembles itself. Open the lid and your hot breakfast sandwich is ready to eat. The included recipe book provides a variety of breakfast sandwich options, from the traditional egg, ham, and cheese to the unique cheddar, apple, bacon, and egg croissant sandwich. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker with Timer, Silver, 25,490A. Quick and easy. With 4 easy steps, this breakfast sandwich maker cooks your custom sandwich in just 5 minutes. Perfect for brunch or a quick, healthy meal on the go. 2 is better than 1. Dual breakfast sandwich maker is great for kids, extra guests, or if you're extra hungry. Create a custom sandwich. Whether you're looking for low-carb or protein-packed, our complimentary breakfast maker recipe book puts plenty of fun and delicious meals right at your fingertips. Eliminate the bread, and these are great for keto and paleo diets too. Great gift. Perfect gift for Christmas, birthdays, Father's Day, Mother's Day, graduation, back to school, and more. Easy cleanup. All removable parts on this breakfast maker are dishwasher safe. Included components. Quick and easy recipes. Dishwasher safe removable parts. Number 3. Cuisinart WM Atsaltohu 2-in-1 Sandwich Grill, Silver. Cooks 2 sandwiches, omelets, or servings of French toast. Lock down lid positions with food on plates to evenly brown both sides. Ready to cook and ready to eat indicator lights. Raised ridges in cooking plates seal edges of bread or omelets to keep ingredients inside and divide sandwiches, and updated plate design to reduce overflow. Non-stick baking plates, wipe clean in seconds, and includes cord storage. BPA-free. The Cuisinart Sandwich Maker does more than lunch. This versatile Cuisinart product also makes omelets and French toast. Designed to cook 2 servings at a time, it is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or light dinners. Dual indicator lights ensure nothing over or undercooks, and non-stick plates makes cleanup easy. Number 2. Green Life Electric Waffle Sandwich Maker, Toaster, Panini Press with healthy ceramic non-stick plates, perfect for tuna melts, crispy rice, grilled cheese, LED indicator light, PFS-free, pink. Make every meal easier with this multifunctional marvel. The Waffle and Sandwich 2's 2 removable plates make it easy to experiment with flavor. You can make classic waffles, crispy paninis, and even delicious desserts pocket pies. Our easy-to-clean ceramic nonstick is free of PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, so you can enjoy your sandwiches and waffles without worry. The 2 removable plate sets make it simple to switch it up. Plus, both sets are dishwasher safe to make cleanup simple. The quick heating design gets you to your toasted sandwiches and crunchy waffles in no time. Number 1. Gotham Steel Nonstick Sandwich Maker, 2-in-1 Panini Press Sandwich Maker, Breakfast Sandwich Maker, Grilled Cheese Maker. Sandwich Press Grill makes 2 sandwiches with easy cut edges and indicator light. Sandwiches in minutes. Now you can enjoy top quality performance with the simple to use, easy to clean Gotham Steel Nonstick Sandwich Maker. Easy to use. The Gotham Steel Sandwich Maker is designed for easy use for all ages and makes 4 perfectly toasted pocket sandwiches in less than 5 minutes, start to finish. Clean up in seconds. The Ultra Nonstick cooking surface is reinforced with ceramic and titanium to deliver the ultimate food release. No oil or butter needed, makes for healthier eating, and provides for hassle-free 1 to 2-3 cleanup. Simply wipe them clean with a damp cloth once they've cooled.